Well, hey, it's Bruce Latch. We're down there at Timeless Arts Refinishing. Today we're going to be working on a grand piano here. I've already got the piano stripped. The thing was in really bad shape. I went around the piano a couple of times with some Bondo. You see I built up some of these corners here. You want to get a close-up, Corey? Walk around next to it quick second. Yeah. That'd probably be good, huh? You can see the rest of the piano parts are right over here. These are all ready to. These have already been sanded, stripped and sanded, and all the holes have been filled and sanded, so it's ready to start painting. Here's a beautiful set of Keller drum shells I just did in a black and gold Duco finish. This is going back to Canada, and we got this cool old bag box in here yesterday. We're going to be restoring for a customer. This came out of about 1 hour south of Chicago. They brought this to us yesterday. But anyhow, this old grand piano here, this came out of Grand Rapids, and so we're just going to show you our first step, what we do after we strip it and sand it, and then fill all the holes and sand it again. I'm going to put a couple coats of black on here, and then I'll put a couple coats of clear on it. The black will magnify any defects, because you can go through these things, you know, for hours trying to find all the holes. It's like doing body work on a car. So I like to put some black on it, clear it out, clear coat over the black, and then if there's any other defects I can fix. And then a couple coats of clear over the black. I don't have all the black powder on my hands from sanding. So, but here you go. We're going to start it up. Show them how I got this mask off in here too, George. Yep. We got the inside all taped off really well. You got the string plate in here, and the soundboard, and also the front of the piano has been all taped off. The piece of cardboard coming up in here. You don't want to, as you're spraying, have black lacquer go flying and landing all over that beautiful soundboard. We're going to be, after I get the finish on the piano where I'm done with that, I'll be taking the legs off because the legs are beat up and broke, and then I'll put the piano on a sawhorse as I'm working on the legs. That way you get a real nice thorough job on it. But, and this is not the first grand piano I've done. Back in the 90s I used to do, got 4 or 5 of them a month in my shop, downtown Grand Rapids. Then they all started getting shipped down to Mexico after they had a free trade agreement. So. a little look at what it looked like when it came to me. You see, it was chipped up. The thing's got a great big crack. That crack goes from right here all the way right here, and that's just glue because I glued that up in there. So this is the last piece that we have to strip. But yeah, just gives you an idea. I mean, this thing was cracked. That piano was really beat up bad. The legs are still, you see the legs? Show the legs down here, Corey. Can you see this side of it? Yeah. Yeah, so basically that's how we do it. You know, we strip them, do the repair. You can repair it with whatever you want. Plastic, wood, epoxy putty, epoxy glue, whatever you want to shove in there. I use Bondo, that works fine for it. And then we get a couple coats of black on it, and this is just like a basic undercoat, and then I'm going to let it dry here for about a half hour and put on a couple of coats of clear. And then that, then when I go to sand that, I can see if I have any more touch-ups to do or repairs. Then once I block it down real good, I hit it with a couple more coats of black. Then I'm going to sand through it here and there. And then I'll just give it a couple coats of 20 sheen and I'll be done with it. So, well, thank you, and we'll keep you posted on this when it's all done. Have a good day.